start off with the EQ. When you use this master assistant, I'm using Ozone 9, so it's pretty outdated, but use a master assistant. It'll draw you some crazy line like this, these curves. It also will cut out a shit ton of low end. So what I do, I just bring these down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn these up in the dynamics department. So I'll make a big band for my middles, and I'll compress this down just a little bit, as you guys see. That's going to control some of these mids and pushes up some of the stuff that's in the EQ, so I can bring some of that down. It adds a dynamic EQ where it finds little resonance problems, which is fine. I just leave that on. Next, I do an imager. As you can see, I cut all the lows under 90 to mono, and then I like to really make my top kind of not spaced out. So here it is. Because we have to remember, once we upload this to YouTube and Spotify, it's gonna make the highs really mono anyway, so let's just help it out there. Unless you have some crazy like stereo separation, that's your sound, then go for it. Lastly, we have the maximizer. It's just the ceiling's at -1. That's pretty much it. As you can see, when I hit play, it's gonna be trimming a tiny bit of the tops. Then lastly, we have the limiter, vintage limiter. It's just gonna crank this so I can get my LUFS to like -9-ish. So I'll show you that right now. And I usually leave it on tube. Tube is pretty good. It makes it sound super warm. Modern, it just all depends on the 808. You really just want your 808 to hit on these like hard Playboi Carti beats. I just turned down this threshold to -4. That's industry standard, I guess. You can see right here, we're right at -8 LUFS.